In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the global China from the Mongols to the Ming course on Harvard Online, and how you can get officially Harvard certified after completing it. This is a great opportunity if you're interested in Chinese history, global trade, empires, or if you simply want a prestigious certificate to strengthen your academic or professional profile. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you don't miss anything. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials, online course guides, and certification walkthroughs. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Harvard Online website. You can do this by typing harvardonline.harvard.edu/course into your address bar. This is Harvard University's official platform, where they host their online programs and professional courses, so make sure you're on the correct site. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search bar. In the search bar, type Global China from the Mongols to the Ming. As you start typing, the course should appear in the results. Click directly on the course title to open the course details page. On this page, you'll find an overview of what the course covers, including the historical timeline, key themes, learning outcomes, and what you'll gain from completing it. Take a moment to read through this information so you understand the structure of the course and what's expected. You'll also see details about the instructor, the duration of the course, and whether it's self-paced or follows a schedule. When you're ready to move forward, scroll down and look for the Enroll button. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. At this stage, you'll be asked to either sign in with an existing Harvard Online account or create a new one. If you're new, simply enter your email address, create a password, and fill in the required personal details. After your account is set up, you'll be guided to the payment section. Fill in your billing information and complete the payment process as instructed on the screen. Make sure all your details are correct before submitting. Once your payment is successful, you'll be officially enrolled in the course. From there, you'll get access to all the course materials, including video lectures, readings, and any quizzes or assignments included in the program. As you go through the course, make sure to complete all required modules and assessments. This is important because your certificate is only issued after you successfully finish everything outlined in the course requirements. Take your time, learn at your own pace, and fully engage with the content to get the most value out of it. After completing the course, you'll receive a Harvard-certified certificate that you can add to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio. This certification comes directly from Harvard, making it a valuable credential that can help boost your credibility and career prospects. And that's it. That's how you access the Global China from the Mongols to the Ming course on Harvard Online and earn a Harvard certificate step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.